Learn how to use a document camera as a whiteboard in Zoom. Your document camera is located on your instructor's workstation. If the power button light is red, it means the document camera is off and it won't be detected by the computer. To turn it on, press the power button and hold until the light turns blue. Position the sheet of paper or material that you want to project just below the camera lens. While hosting your Zoom meeting, select Share Screen located in your Zoom bar. Select the tab Advanced. Select the last option on your right, Content from second camera, and finally click Share. If you have more than 2 cameras connected to your instructor's computer, you will need to select the option Switch Camera that is located on the top left side of your screen until you see your document camera. Some document cameras like the Elmo reference have an autofocus button and a zoom dial. Use those features to adjust the image if needed. On the base controls, you will find the brightness adjustment. Use these controls to turn up the brightness for dark documents or turn down the brightness for light documents. The lamp setting button will turn the light arm on or off to improve the image. If you are planning to use it for handwriting, it is recommended to write big enough to make it clear for students, using an ink pen instead of pencils. Remember to always have good contrast between the paper sheet background color and the ink color. That will improve your students' visibility. From this point, if you need to change your screen from the document camera to your presentation, hover your mouse over the top of your screen and select New Share. Select the tab Basic and select Screen. Remember to check the boxes Share Computer Sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. That will improve the streaming experience for your students. Finally, click Share. For more information, contact us at helpdesk@tamag.edu.